Shah Rukh Khan was seen shooting as a Sikh in the green locals of Punjab, and this did take us back to the Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge times when we had similar scenes. Also not to forget the Veer Zara scenes where we do remember SRK's camper with Preeti in the amazing greenery. Here too he was dancing. Well, we do not know the title of the flick for which this song is being shot, but it is directed by Imtiaz Ali. After this, Khan would be seen doing a movie with Anand L. Rai where he would be playing the role of a dwarf. There are rumors that there would be Deepika with him in the flick. Well, what do you say about this song sequence, and do let us know how you feel. Meera and Kareena are the new mothers in B-Town, and we do love them for the way they are. However, they entered a skirmish with statements on their motherhood status. While Meera is a mom who loves to be at home, Kareena is one who has stepped out and enjoyed life with a lot of partying. Meera's outburst obviously had Bebo say a few things about motherhood. We are intrigued by this verbal exchange, which is almost a spat, and now wonder where this is going. We do know that Shahid and Kareena were in a relation once, and now both have settled to not only marriage but also parenthood. In the wake of such stuff, we only are perturbed by this sudden exchange of personal views on being a mom. Meanwhile, Kareena is busy getting her Veere the Wedding released. Do let us know your opinion on this verbal exchange between the two women in Shahid's life. The Rab Ne Banati Jodi is out on their next venture, directed by Imtiaz Ali, and the shooting for the same is going on in full swing in Punjab. Here we have a sneak peek from the sets where we see Anushka all dolled up in traditional attire while Shah Rukh donned a pair of denims and a shirt. The two are working on a special song sequence under the able guidance of Bosco Martis, and it is here that we found a Snapchat video going viral. One look at the sets will transport you to the Nagara days from Jab We Met. Though the main lead Shah Rukh and Anushka were nowhere to be seen, the sets give us a feel of what to expect. The film, which is all set to release on 11th August, while we bring more news from the sets of this yet to be named film, share your feedback about the sets in the comments section below. Salman is looking fabulous in this photo shoot, and this being human star is sure here to rule. Salman is just now out of the wrap of the Tube Light shoot and now getting ready for the next December release Tiger Zinda Hai, which he is doing with Katrina Kaif. We do know that Salman is getting ready for the sequel to the Dabangg series, and then he will be doing a movie with Remo where he will be playing father to a 12-year-old. Salman is also getting ready with Tiger Zinda Hai, which is a sequel to Ek Tha Tiger, where he would be seen doing high-octane drama scenes. Meanwhile, Salman is also really rocking it up in this photo shoot. Salman's Being Human brand is very popular amongst his fans, and this is one picture that they are surely going to dig. What do you feel about Salman's picture? Do let us know.
So here it is up right and center for you. Badshah, the rapper-singer who is famous for his hit songs like Selfie Le Le and Baby Ko Bes Pasand Hai, would be out with yet another chart buster, this time with Salman again. Yes, with two of his films releasing this year, one being Tube Light and the other Tiger Zinda Hai, we are sure we would like to see him rap in both his upcoming films. Badshah, the rapper, is famous for his songs, and when it is with Salman, then kya kehne. In fact, the rapper would also be seen performing in The Bang Tour, which is Salman's upcoming international event in Australia. So how would it be to see the duo again in action? Wouldn't it be a fun-filled rhythmic mix of Tal and Sur? Well, we have seen it earlier and are quite eager to see it again. What say? What is your take on Badshah rapping for Salman again for Tiger Zinda Hai?
Sister Arpita seems completely miffed at brother Salman Khan, despite the fact that Salman had spent the better half of the day on a flight to be with the family to celebrate nephew Ahil's birthday. Apparently, Salman Khan had assured her that he would help her husband Ayush Sharma to make his debut in Bollywood. But since then, 3 years have gone by and the Sultan is yet to fulfill his promise. Earlier, it was believed that Salman would be launching Ayush under his own banner, but later on, he ended up launching Suraj Pancholi and Athia Shetty. Then Salman signed Sushant Singh Rajput for his next film, and he also geared up to launch Sunil Shetty's son Ahan Shetty. Salman has also launched Tiger Shroff while Ayush continued to wait high and dry. Though all these newbies have at least assisted in the making of films before being launched, Ayush did not make the most of his stint and seemed to be enjoying a holiday at the sets of Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Sardar. Well, do you think Salman Bhai deserves this cold shoulder? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan and his alleged lady love Ulia Vantur seems to be together like Siamese twins. Recently, Ulia even flew to Maldives to celebrate baby Ahil's first birthday with the entire Khan clan. Salman too flew to join his family in the celebrations. Back home, Ulia is busy working on her single Every Night and Day with Himesh Reshamya. When quizzed about her relationship with the Dabangg Khan, Ulia quipped, "It should be private, but I see you asking me anyway. I understand the curiosity and I'm used to it. Everybody has to do their job, but many a times things are created just for the sake of it." Ulia was all praise for the Khan family as they are always eager to welcome everyone to their fold. She stated, "Their doors are always open for me." Well, so does that hint that doors are open to Ulia as the new Bahu of the Khan clan? Share your thoughts on this by commenting in the section below. Farhan Akhtar, the multi-talented son of scriptwriter Javed Akhtar, created history with the making of Dawn, starring Badshah Shah Rukh Khan with Desi girl Priyanka Chopra. This happened way back in 2006, and seeing its stupendous success, Farhan also helmed the sequel of the film in 2011. This film too was a rage with fans and motivated the maker to gear up and dish out the third inning as well. Though it's been a long time, fans have yet not given up hope. Recently, Farhan was quizzed about the same and he dropped the hint by saying, "Soon I hope." So does that mean Dawn 3 will soon see the light of the day? Well, last seen working on Rock On 2, Farhan is presently busy in his endeavour to save the planet, for which he has joined hands with the National Geographic. But going by the hints dropped, we are sure that Farhan will not leave us disappointed and Dawn 3 will see the light of the day soon. Don't you think so? The new mom in B-Town, Kareena Kapoor Khan, is already up and about her weight loss regime, where she is working hard to shed her post-pregnancy pound. While she does seem to have done a good job, Bebo is far from satisfied and is striving to attain size 0 very soon. Her maternity leave from the shooting of Veere the Wedding is soon coming to an end, and Bebo is trying to ensure that she maintains the same oomph as before her pregnancy. Here we see her picture of elegance as she makes an exit after a grueling workout session. Tired but relaxed, she looks stunning sans makeup in simple workout clothes and shoes which fail to hide her stardom. So what do you think of impeccable Kareena in her workout avatar? Let us know by commenting in the section below. We do know that Salman Khan is shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai in Austria. We also know that Salman had left strict diktat that no news about his shoot should be shared on social media. However, when it is Salman, everything is so huge and larger than life. Obviously, when fans saw him shoot, they had to take a picture with him, and here are ardent fans being seen with Salman taking photos in Austria. Tiger Zinda Hai is the sequel to Salman's Ek Tha Tiger, which was directed by Kabir Khan. However, the sequel is being made by Ali Abbas Zafar and Salman has already begun shooting in Austria for the same. Katrina is the lead with him and she is also there. With fans falling all over Salman wherever he goes shooting, things are so huge and grand for them. Don't you remember how Salman was with fans during the shoot of Sultan? Well, let us know what you would do to take a picture with Sallu. Hot hunk Gurmeet Chaudhary had shocked everyone when he signed 2 erotic thrillers in a row. Having made his mark in this genre with Khamoshiyan and Wajah Tum Ho, he has now bid goodbye to erotic thrillers and decided that he will never do erotic films again. Speaking about this, Gurmeet justified that as an outsider, he faced great difficulties making a mark in Bollywood and hence when Mahesh Bhatt gave him the chance, it was like a dream come true. But this choice have left his fans sour and they have expressed their displeasure to the star who made his presence felt on television in a big way. Gurmeet revealed that he is inspired by Salman Khan and considers himself an ideal person. Hence, his next film is a simple family love story on the lines of a Suraj Barjatia film. Well, now that's some great news. Lali Ki Shaadi Mein Laddu Deewana, Gurmeet's forthcoming film, will show him in a completely different light and we hope that his fans love his new avatar in this film, which is slated to release on 7th April. So are you excited to know the future of this film? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan's Being Human Foundation conducts a free eye camp. Salman Khan's charitable venture, the Being Human Foundation, is striving hard to reach out to the people. Here we see how they effectively joined hands with the doctors of Padma Shri Dr. Dhanwant Singh Eye Hospital and organized a free eye camp in Himachal Pradesh. The camp received positive response and more than 1,300 people came to avail the services. Free medicines and eye drops were distributed to those who needed them. Spectacles too were provided free of cost and people were given proper treatment and advice. The participants were all praised at the volume of good work being done and the manner in which it was executed. Acts such as these do make the world a better place, and despite his busy schedule working on Tiger Zinda Hai, Salman Khan never ceases to take a keen interest in such activities. Such dedication is indeed rare to find, isn't it?
मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है.
Fantastic.
Then, what else should I tell you? All this मुझे खाना चाहिए.
इंडिया में खाने को क्या अच्छा लगता है? And she understands Hindi very well.
Biryani? Yes, I love it. And palak paneer. That's my favorite. Which one?
No doklas. She doesn't know doklas. But she knows
it's a Gujarati dish.
It's a Gujarati dish.
Maybe I tried, but I don't remember the name.
Okay. And
सबसे अच्छी बिरयानी आप कहाँ कौन सी खाई आपने बिरयानी सबसे अच्छी अब तक सबसे बिरयानी कहाँ सबसे अच्छी पसंद आई कहाँ
where's the best biryani you've ever had?
Okay, yeah.
You know what they want to know.
I know. It's a very good restaurant. The name is Corner House. Yeah. Okay.
Sonakshi Sinha was seen preparing for the upcoming Salman concert The Bang in Australia and New Zealand. Sonakshi is also part of the tour which Salman is going to embark on, which would be just after his Yash Raj Studios shoot with Katrina Kaif for Tiger Zinda Hai. Just recently, we saw Salman coming back with his family from the Maldives outing where they celebrated the birthday of Ahil, the little one in the Khandan. Yes, Salman's sister Arpita's son has turned 1. Meanwhile, Sonakshi is getting ready for her upcoming tour and we sure would like to watch this Dabangg duo in action. It is believed that for Dabangg 3, also we would have Sonakshi in the lead. It is sure interesting to see the actress grow and then to bag a prize movie which anyone would want to be a part of. Henna, she would maybe crooning to 2 numbers too. Aren't you excited?